Welcome to Learnino. Today we are going to discuss RRB GK previous year questions. First question, Emperor Ashoka sent the apostles to remote places to propagate the ideals of Buddhism so that people could inspire their lives through the teachings of Lord Buddha. The evangelist also included his son and daughter Dash. Answer is option C, Mahendra and Sanghavitra. Emperor Ashoka sent the apostles to remote places to propagate the ideal of Buddhism so that people could save their lives through the teaching of Lord Buddha. He sent his son Mahendra and daughter Sanghavitra to Sri Lanka to propagate Buddhism. Emperor Ashoka's name is Devanam Priya. Emperor Ashoka's name is Devanam Priya. In the inscriptions, its reign was from 273 BC to 232 BC. Ashoka belonged to Maurya dynasty. Ashoka belonged to Maurya dynasty. The most important event of Ashoka's reign was the conquest of Kalinga, that is in Odisha. Ashoka adopted Buddhist teachings after the War of Kalinga. The Kalinga War of Ashoka is held in 261 BC, Kalinga War. Okay, so next question. Which of the following king was the father of Sanghamitra and Mahendravarman? Option C, Ashoka. Dash developed Dharma Vijaya, the policy of victory by righteousness. Bindusara, Mahendra, Ashoka, Bimbisara. Answer is Ashoka. Ashoka developed the policy of Dharma. The Maurya Empire was founded by Vijaya by righteousness and propagated Buddhism. Due to the violence and human destruction, Kalinga War, his heart was moved by war and he accepted Buddhism. Chandragupta's son Dash was the second ruler to sit the throne of Mauryan Empire. Chandragupta's son Bindusara was the second ruler to sit the throne of Mauryan Empire. Bindusara, son of Chandragupta, 298 BC to 273 BC of Mauryan Empire, was the second ruler to sit on the throne of the Maurya Empire. Bindusara was a follower of the Ajaiva sect in Vaishu Puranas. Bindusara was a follower of Ajaivaga sect. He is also called Bhadrasan. Bindusara is also known as Amitragada. Bindusara is also known as Amitragada. Greek ambassador Demetrius came to his court. Buddhist scholar Taranad has described him as the winner of 10 states. Bindusara, son of Chandragupta, 298 BC to 273 BC of Mauryan Empire, was the second ruler to sit on the throne of Mauryan Empire. Bindusara was a follower of the Ajayvika sect in Vayu Puranas. He is called Bandarsar. Bindusara is also known as Amita Gada. Greek ambassador Demetrius came to his court. Buddhist scholar Taranad was described him as a winner of 10 states. Next question. Emperor Ashoka was the son of Dash who belonged to the Maurya dynasty. Emperor Ashoka was the son of Bindusara. Emperor Ashoka was the son of Bindusara who belonged to the Maurya dynasty. The great Emperor Ashoka belonged to which dynasty? Maurya dynasty. Option A. Whose successor was Emperor Ashoka? Whose successor was Emperor Ashoka? Bindusara. Emperor Ashoka engraved the order on stone pillars and stone planks and established them at the principal places of his kingdom so that the people could act accordingly. 14. Emperor Ashoka got 14 inscriptions engraved so that the people could conduct accordingly. Dash was the capital of the Mauryan Empire. Dash was the capital of Mauryan Empire. Padaliputra. Padaliputra was the capital of Mauryan Empire. Padaliputra was the capital of Mauryan Empire. Emperor Ashoka in the 12th year of his reign appointed a special officer who served the land and maintained land records. These officers were called Rasug. The great Emperor Ashoka appointed a special officer in the 12th year of his reign who served the land and maintained land records and maintained law and justice. These officers were called Rasuk. Story of which king is the subject of drama Mudra Rakshasa? Chandragupta Maurya. Mudra Rakshasa was composed by Vishakadatta. This book thrown light on Mauryan history, mainly the life of Chandragupta Maurya. In this literary text, Chandragupta Maurya has been called Brishal and Kulkeen. Which dynasty ended the Mauryan dynasty? Sanga. Brihadratha, the last ruler of the Maurya dynasty, was killed by its commander Pushyamitra Sanga in 185 BC and he founded the Sunga dynasty in Magadha. This dynasty ruled northern India from around 184 BC to 75 BC. It had lived till 109 years. Pushyamitra Sanga was the first ruler of this dynasty. Who was the last emperor of the Maurya dynasty? Who was the last emperor of the Maurya dynasty? Who was the last emperor of Maurya dynasty? Brihadratha was the last emperor of Maurya dynasty. Brihadratha was the last emperor of Maurya dynasty. Statement from the given options is not correct. Buddhist scriptures were written in Pali. The birthplace of Gautama Buddha is in Nepal. Upagupta influenced Ashoka to embrace Buddhism. Charaka was a personal physician of Gautama Buddha. Answer D. Charaka was a personal physician of Gautama. Charaka was not the personal physician of Gautama Buddha, but the royal physician of the Kushana kingdom. The Charaka Samhita composed by him is a famous Ayurveda text, whereas the Buddhist scriptures were written in Pali language. Which native Indian dynasty issued their coins with the portraits of their rulers on them? Answer: the Satavahana dynasty. The Satavahana issued a coin with the portrait of their rulers on them. Satavahanas were also the one to issue lead coins. Other than his, they also issued silver, copper, bronze coins. This dynasty was founded by Simha with its capital Pradisthana. The native Indian dynasty issued their own coin with the portrait of their rulers on them. Answer: the Satavahana dynasty. Satavahana dynasty issued a coin with the portrait of their rulers on them. Satavahana were also the one to issue lead coins. Other than this, they also issued silver, copper, bronze coins. They issued silver, copper, bronze coin. So Satavahana issued coins with the portraits of their rulers on them. This dynasty was founded by Simukha with its capital Pradisthana. So this is the last question. Thank you.